Hi, I'm Mimi McLaughlin from McLaughlin Family Chiropractic in Walkersville, Maryland. At our clinic, we believe in a natural approach to health, where your spine and nervous system are at the heart of your well-being. Whether you're dealing with back pain, neck pain, or just looking to improve your overall health, we're here to help. Our practice is dedicated to providing personalized chiropractic care tailored to the needs of each individual. Plus, with the groundbreaking cold laser therapy and functional rehabilitation exercises, we can enhance your healing process, allowing you to recover 30 to 50% faster. We use the latest techniques and treatments to ensure you receive the best possible care. We're not just treating symptoms, we're helping you achieve a healthier, more active lifestyle. Visit www.drmimi.com to learn more about our services and to schedule an appointment. Let us help you feel better, move better, and live better.